everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I am finally back. Seems like I've been gone forever, but I am hopefully back now. And I got everything pretty much in order. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys some cards. I actually made these cards, I want to say, either in August or early September with the Tonic Christmas kit. So I just want to come in and share these because I haven't been doing any crafting or anything because I actually been sick. Alright, so here's the first one. And I'll link that card unboxing video because I did do that one. So here's one of them. I just open on the inside so I can put a message or something. And here's another one. And I still have, of course, quite a bit of paper and stuff left. I didn't let these dry all the way, so I laid another card on top and they sort of flatten out the little Nouveau drops. But I don't think I used Nouveau. I think I used the other ones. But and nothing is in the inside. Normally I put stuff in the inside, but I kept these blank because I want to try to stretch my cardstock and paper as much as possible. Here's another one. I remember that leafy cardstock, and I used another stamp because the cards kit was sort of limiting. After so long, you get sick of using the same dies and stamps. At least I do. Attention span really short. Here's another one. Love the foil. This one right here. And it's been so long I can't remember what inks or whatever I used either. Another one. Very flat, simple and easy. Oh, I gotta fix that edge right there. And here's the last one. Did I show that one already? Nope, I had already showed that one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 that I made with that card kit. And I'll put the card kit in the iCards. Let it pop up. That I get from Tonic every month. So I'm going to try to bust out a lot of videos since I am so behind. And try to get caught up with some stuff. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, you guys. Y'all have a blessed day. And I'll be back hopefully shortly. Bye.